We're here in beautiful Center City, Memphis, and I'm gonna pay $1,000 to anyone who can start my motorcycle. We are trying so hard to get people to take my money. This one might be the hardest one we've ever done. It's gonna be tough. All right, so we had we had 3 or 4 people try it. No one's gotten it. They've also not broken it, which I'm pretty excited about. I guess it's uncommon to hold a sign up, one to give something away to people.
If a 7-year-old girl can do this, then a grown man should be able to do this.